How to get unbanned from Roblox games. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get unbanned from Roblox games. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up Roblox. Head over to roblox.com and this is the homepage for Roblox. Now on the URL, simply remove this home option and search for support. Simply add support and hit enter. After you do that, you'll be on Roblox's support page. Now, what you'll then need to do is right here, you can add a name, your email address, confirm your email address. Now, this part is important because they will reply you on your email. Confirm your email address. Let me copy this and paste it right here and here under issue. Now, select the device that you're using and then choose your category. Now, there are a lot of different categories. So here you can choose moderation. And under here, you can choose this one that says I was strongly moderated for my behavior, or you can choose this one as well. I'll just choose the top one. And on the description of this issue, what you can type is I was falsely, falsely accused of misbehavior and was banned from the game. Now here you can name the game that you are talking about, and after that, just ask them, please help me unbanned. After you write this and send it, you can add your username and everything here, and then tap on continue, which will send them an email. It will send a request to them, and your Roblox support will help you get unbanned from the game. And that's basically how you get unbanned from your Roblox. And there you can see there is a verification. Go through the verification, and you'll have submitted your request. And that's how you do this. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.